S&P, I really didn't do much today, and by do much, I didn't do jack. I sold some SoFi calls. I did sell GameStop. I guess I'm gonna make a YouTube video about that. I did sell a 34 strike for $100, and then I took that $100 and I bought 4 more shares of GameStop. So now I have 204. So hopefully I'm just super rich, and I could say I was part of a movement tomorrow. As far as ES goes, drop down, hit the zone, and there's always someone that asks this every time it bounces out of a zone. Is that a yellow zone? It is. Just know that if it's this, guys, I don't like things looking cluttered. Speed bump zones are always blue. There was like a small time in history, and I mean quite literally a week, maybe even 3 streams, where it was 2 blue lines. If there's 2 white lines, that is a yellow zone, without a doubt. So that just dropped down, hit that, and bounced, huh? Yeah, earlier today, when I had actually checked ES, I was thinking about taking a trade. We hadn't even broken that down yet. We were just so flat that I just lost interest. It's like, nah, retail week. This is nothing to get hyped about. I like when you fill them in. I can, but a lot of times, either I don't like it cluttered, or I'm just flying through it. We're just tossing them up. Hang on, I was 100% even as we're talking about it. I really about just moved on. Like, yeah, we'll watch that. We'll move on. All right, S&P expected moves, nothing, dead center. Nasdaq, a little bit more actually. Down, but quite the move up. All right, so we know Winnie the Pooh hanging out right here. You know how I am on these short weeks. I just think it's probably more of a grind. Moves like this is actually impressive. I just think it's a lack of volume on some of these moves. I guess we've been in a bull market most of the time, so when you see that, it's a bull market, low volume, we kind of just continue that grind up. What do 2 pink lines mean? Weekly. Pink, or that purplish color, is a weekly zone. Well, let me just double check that for you anyway. Yeah, okay, so this one, I did like this idea, because I filled them both in before, and it kind of looks like 2 zones stacked on top of each other, when in fact the daily zone is just inside a weekly zone. So this right here, we can tighten that up just oh, that was there for a reason. Okay, let's make this one a little bit more bold. Sometimes the time frames just conflict, and that's a wide weekly zone. So make sure the expected move is good. Okay, we're gonna turn that off now. All right. Again, anybody that has the charts, go ahead and update the link, and you're good to go. Qs, nothing. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Russell. So red day didn't even really get the recovery. No love for that. Tech was just where it's at. So we're just sideways. As far as expected moves, more than nothing, but technically not much.